In preparation for our 2 new foundations, we've had to deconstruct and reconstruct the pasture fences that I helped put in as a kid, repurposing old fencing. It's bittersweet to see it go, but we know times are changing here on the Cajun country home front.
I think that we're all a little guilty of sitting on our phones a little too long every now and again. I know that I do. Whenever I get up in the morning and I come outside, I play June's Journey. Based in the 1920s, June's Journey is a thrilling murder mystery story that uncovers her family's secrets. It's free to download and has many moving parts. From finding hidden objects to customizing and remodeling your own mansion or garden island, June's Journey has it all. Along with the pure enjoyment of the game, I have learned 1920s lingo while finding hidden objects. Antiques to vintage themes, June's Journey has taken me back in time to enjoy a thrilling murder mystery. Download June's Journey for free by clicking the link in the description below. June's Journey is available on iOS and Android devices, as well as PC through Facebook Games. Thanks again, June's Journey, for sponsoring this video. Alright, time to get to work. Every time that we looked outside last night, there was a cow standing literally right here. They even left us a few little presents right around here that we're gonna have to dodge all day now. But luckily we did go ahead and put this post in just for that exact reason.
So you might be asking yourself, why did we pack this post over here knowing that it's heavy and put it in the hole when we have a tractor sitting right there? Good question. Because it is really soft right here in the edge of the yard, and that 10 foot is a big difference, and we didn't want the tractor rutting up the edge of the yard. So we decided to bite the bullet, just dig in and grunt and make it happen.
So in other words, our backs feel fantastic today.
Well, our 2 brace pieces have somewhat of a saddle left on them for where we cut them off the original post, but it's not going to be a tight fit. So we're going to cut fresh saddles on them, clean them up with a grinder, that way it's a good, nice, tight fit, and we get a good wheel.
Now don't let these skewers throw you off. We won't be doing any cooking. It's a perfect time to show y'all a hoodus that I've been using for ages.
So what we're working with here is 2 7/8 outer diameter pipe. There's a lot of different ways that you can make the template for the saddle that's going to tie into the side of this pipe. Now they even make templates for this pipe. My experience, the templates are never exactly right, and you always have to do a lot of grinding and trimming, which is the reason that we put together the perfect saddle hoodus. Now with the perfect saddle hoodus, all you have to have is about $1 worth of skewers, a couple of hair ties, and a piece of whatever material that you're working with. Simply hold it level.
Push the saddle hoodus straight in towards the pipe until you see the saddle shape form. The nice thing about this hoodus is the multifunction aspect. When Jim's ready to get his hair out of his face, bam, hair tie, right there. It also comes in handy if you need to cook 1 or 25 of them shish kebabs.
And it is really just that simple. Then you don't have to guess if your measurements is going to be right whenever you cut your saddle. You know it's going to fit perfectly to that piece of pipe.
We're gonna take a little bit of this tape and wrap it around here. Y'all might not need to if you want to make one of these, but for us it would be our luck that we'd go to walk and we'd drop it or we'd hit it on something. So we're gonna use our best judgment and put a little bit of tape on here. If somebody clicked on just to this part, they'd be like, what in the actual hoodus are you doing?
Yeah, what in the crock hoodus is going on here? Y'all have a piece of pipe, some hair ties, and some painter's tape. I can't even imagine.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside.
When I mentioned to my dad that we was going to be doing some welding out in the pasture and remodifying these brace posts, I didn't even have time to ask him if I could borrow his weld machine, and he already had the tractor hooked up to it and it was ready to go. But as always, we wanted to say a special thank you to Pops for being there to lend a hand, or a weld machine in this case.
We are not advising you to weld in short sleeves, shorts, or Crocs. But we're gonna do it anyway.
Yeah, I honestly don't think that we're in a position to give advice on just about anything.
Neither of us are nervous of a metal spark, so we both had our fair share.
Yeah, I've been in the fire my whole life.
What's a few more scars, right?
Yeah.
Jim's getting everything set up right now. We asked y'all in the last video if y'all wanted me or Jim to weld, and we had a pretty fair share. I think I might have got a few more.
Yeah, probably so. Because the reason that is there's like some people out there with like really good-hearted people, and they want this to last. So they're like, Jimbo, why don't you get out there and weld it? And then the other one's like, man, we don't want to hurt Lydia's feelings.
You're so sweet. I'm gonna do one, and Jim's gonna do the other. Okay, gotta get my game face on.
Hey, what happened to just tacking these in place till we could get them both ready and everybody get prepped up? Looks to me like you jumped through the gate.
It's an intimidation tactic. That's what it is.
That's like two race cars sitting at the starting line, and one of them just takes off when it wants to.
Here's the view out of a Welding hood in case you've never experienced it. When the flash goes off, yeah, that tiny little light, that's pretty much all that you can see. Riveting stuff, can't you tell? Okay, so I'll have to give this one to Jim, but just this one time. After we welded the pipe in place, we did everybody's favorite, dry pour. The water that you see is actually from the ground. We did not have to add any water since this was a low spot in the yard, and keep in mind that we are in southern Louisiana. To finish off the top, Jim used the bottom of an old can to stamp the concrete down. And there you have it, folks. Dry pour fence post.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great.
Why not start at the top?
See how much bigger this top wire is? It probably has twice the tension these small center wires does, so I gotta support it. Then I can break the top one, it won't spring so bad.
I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask. When life is going by so fast, one breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try.
We were so eager to get the fence down that we jumped outside and knocked it out the same evening. Jim even got a chance to mow before the rain got here.
You don't know, 'cause there's a part of you that never could let go.
So this is a view out the living room window. As you can see, Jim mowed this patch where the barn will be sitting, and it's all those little things that are making the difference and making us see where we're gonna be in just a few months.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still
Where's your
so
Chi-Chi's?
amazed by you.
Where they at?
So hold me tight through the night.
Either you clean those parts up to perfection, or those are new parts.
It's new parts from here down. It's old parts from here back. So we got new pistons, new rings. Was gonna just try to go with the rings because the old ones cracked on me, but it was about the same price to go ahead and buy the pistons and the rings. So why not?
Just feel so lucky, oh, oh, oh. Still can't believe you love me. I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's is about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or red.
We still have a long way to go, but man, it's looking good from that old froze up, rusted up engine that we started with.
Well, Cajun family, don't forget to go check out June's Journey, and we will see y'all on Sunday. Bye, Cajun family.